Good morning, children. In the last video, we have learnt about verbs. We have already learnt that is, are and am are verbs. Today, we will learn about the use of is, are and am. Is, are and am. They are used to tell information about the things which are in the present tense or which are happening now. Let us now learn when to use is. We use is when we talk about one person, thing, place or animal. For example, this is a scale. This is a pen. This is a bag. This is a notebook. So, we use is when we talk about one person, thing, place or animal. We also use is with he, she or it. Let's have a look at some examples. Jimmy is a brilliant student. Why have we used is here? Because we are talking about one person. And who is that person? Jimmy. Next, New Delhi is the capital of India. Here we are talking about one place, that is New Delhi. So we are using is here. Lion is the king of the jungle. Again, we are talking about one animal, so we have used is here. It is dark inside. We use is with it. He is having dinner. She is a good cook. So, these were some of the examples where we use is. Now let's learn about the use of are. When to use are? We use are when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. For example, these are colors. These are pillows. These are sheets of paper. So, when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing, what do we use? We use are. Similarly, are is also used with we, you and they. Let's have a look at some examples. Cats are very fluffy. We have used are here. Why? Because we are talking about more than one cat. Cats are very fluffy. Fruits are good for health. Raj and Ravi are friends. Here we are talking about two persons, Raj and Ravi. So we have used are here. We are going to the zoo. So here with we, what do we use? We use are. You are a good girl. They are watching a movie. So, apart from more than one person, place, animal or thing, we use are with we, you and they. Now let's learn the use of am. We use am with I. So, I is used with the word am. For example, I am a boy. I am wearing a red ribbon. I am happy. So, with I, what comes? Am. Let's recall the use of is, are and am again. Is used with one person, place, animal or thing. And we also use is with he, she and it. Are is used when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. And we also use it with we, you and they. And am is used with I. I hope you have understood the topic. Let's now look at page number 43 of your grammar book. Here, some of the examples are given. So let's read the following sentences carefully. I am hungry. I am a student. Here they have shown that with I we use am. Use of is. He is a doctor. So we are talking about one person and we have used he for him. So here with he is will come. Similarly, she is a teacher. It is an egg. This is her bag. That is his bat. Geetu is not at home. Here we are talking about one person, Geetu, so we have used is here. Now let's look at the use of are. As you know that we use are when we use we. So with we what comes? Are. We are friends. With you also are is used. So you are late. Again with they also we use are. So they are lazy. Those boys are tall. We are talking about boys here plural. So with plurals are comes. These girls are smart. In the same way, read the rest of the sentences on your own. Now come to page number 44. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. So using these verbs you have to fill in the blanks. I dash fine. What do we use with I? We use am. So I am fine. Uma and Sonia dash friends. Two people we are talking about. So we will write are here. Uma and Sonia are friends. The peacock dash our national bird. We are talking about peacock here. One peacock, so is will come. The peacock is our national bird. Bhopal dash the capital of Madhya Pradesh. So Bhopal is a place and we are talking about one place here. So is will come. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. These mangoes dash sweet. Think what will come here? Mangoes. We are talking about mangoes. Yes, we will write are here. These mangoes are sweet. One more for you and then the rest you will do on your own. This dash a strange animal. One animal we are talking about. So is. This is a strange animal. Now read rest of the sentences carefully. Think what will come, whether is will come, are will come or am will come. And complete page number 44 in your grammar book. You will do the exercises in the book only. No need to do anything in your notebooks. That is all for today. Thank you.